Hi guys, today's book is Hop on Pop, the simplest Seuss for youngest use by Dr. Seuss. Let's read it together. Up, pop, pop is up. Cup, pop, pop in cup. Pop, cup, cup on pop. Mouse, house, mouse on house. House, mouse, house on mouse. All tall, we all are tall. All small, we all are small. All ball, we all play ball. Ball, wall, up on a wall. All fall, fall off the wall. Day, play, we play all day. Night, fight, we fight all night. He, me, he is after me. Him, Jim, Jim is after him. C, B, we see a bee. C, B, 3. Now we see 3. 3, tree. 3 fish in a tree. Fish in a tree? How can that be? Red, rat. They call me Red. Red, bed. I am in bed. Red, Ned, Ted, and Ed in bed. Pat, Pat. They call him Pat. Pat, sat. Pat sat on hat. Pat, cat. Pat sat on cat. Pat, bat. Pat sat on bat. No, Pat, no. Don't sit on that. I got this. Sad, dad, bad, hat. Dad is sad, very, very sad. He had a bad day. What a day Dad had. Thing, thing. What is that thing? Thing, sing. That thing can sing. Song, long. A long, long song. Goodbye, thing. You sing too long. Walk, walk. We like to walk. Walk, talk. We like to talk. Hop, pop. We like to hop. We like to hop on top of pop. Stop! You must not hop on pop. Mr. Brown, Mrs. Brown. Mr. Brown, upside down. Pop up, Brown down. Pop is down. Where is Brown? Where is Brown? There is Brown. Mr. Brown is out of town. Black, back. Brown came back. Brown came back with Mr. Black. Snack, snack. Eat a snack. Eat a snack with Brown and Black. Jump, bump. He jumped. He bumped. Fast, past. He went past, fast. Went, tent, sent. He went into the tent. I sent him out of the tent. Wet, get. 2 dogs get wet. Help, yelp. They yelp for help. Hill, wheel. Wheel went uphill. Wheel, hill, still. Wheel is uphill still. Father, mother. Sister, brother. That one is my other brother. My brothers read a little bit. Little words like if and it. My father can read big words too, like Constantinople and Timbuktu. Say, say. What does this say? Ask me tomorrow, but not today. What a nice book for the youngest one. Thank you guys for reading with me. See you next time. Bye-bye.